In today's fast-paced world, being smart is more important than ever. But what does it really mean to be smart? Is it simply about having a high IQ or being well-educated, or is there more to it than that? To answer these questions, let me tell you a story about an author named Sarah. Sarah was a straight-A student in school and went on to become a successful writer. But despite her academic achievements, she often felt like something was missing. She realized that being book-smart was not enough to truly excel in life. Sarah embarked on a journey to become more smart in all aspects of her life. She started by expanding her knowledge beyond what she learned in school. She read books on a wide range of topics, from history to psychology to technology. She also sought out mentors who challenged her to think in new ways and pushed her out of her comfort zone. But Sarah didn't stop there. She also worked on developing her emotional intelligence, empathy, and critical thinking skills. She practiced mindfulness and self-awareness, learning to recognize and manage her emotions effectively. She became a better communicator, listening actively and empathizing with others. Through this journey, Sarah discovered that being smart is not just about what you know, but also about how you think and interact with the world around you. It's about being open-minded, curious, and willing to learn from others. It's about being adaptable and resilient in the face of challenges. In the end, Sarah realized that true intelligence is a combination of different skills and qualities that work together to help you navigate life successfully. It's about being well-rounded and constantly seeking growth and improvement.